Hi guys, another day, another route, and this time is going to be a route to the waterfall of Xiblu. We're in the area called Teberga and we're about to start the route, which is around 8 kilometers. Very easy to do and great views as usual, especially in this time of the year, in autumn. If you are in a wheelchair or you have disabilities, rest assured that you can at least come to this spot and enjoy nature. Beautiful, isn't it? Well, somebody lived in that house by the looks of it, but it has been quite a long time ago since anybody lived in there. Okay guys, this sign that tells us that the family of these plants over there, those ones, are Dryopteridaceae species Dryopteris, which in the local language is helechos. I think in the English language is ferns. Talk to you about the terrain, the path, because at some point it's a little bit muddy. Like in this case, I consider that it's been quite dry in the last few days, so it shouldn't be a big problem now, but imagine that it has been raining for a while. So my advice to you is that if you are doing this route, you may be interested in bringing the boots with you. Hi guys, I cannot believe it. We made it to the waterfall, to the Xiblu Waterfall. Incredible views, fantastic route, highly recommended. It can get a little bit steep at the end, but it's really rewarding. The views are phenomenal, as you can see. So we're going to have a short rest here because it's around 5:40 p.m. Have a look around. We are going to show you these fantastic views, and then we will go back home through the same route we followed to come here. And as always, we hope life is giving you plenty of reasons to smile, and if it doesn't, keep fighting, as it is a matter of time. And so until next video, have a great day. Bye bye. Alledo de Monte Grande. Guys, I needed to show you this. Look at the colors of the fall season here. And it's only starting. Look at those brown, reds, yellow, oranges. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Very good water. Very good. We can already see the moon, if you notice. Let me see if I can zoom in and you can see it. Ooh, look at that. Nice.